The first time that you access your student email, you will visit Eastern's website, and Eastern's web address is easternwv.edu. If you go to Current Students and Technology Support, there is a link for email and Microsoft Office 365. This button link will take you to the login page, and then these resources have information if you are having difficulty with email or need some assistance. Student email addresses are formatted with first name, last name, no spaces, and then an @ symbol, the word student, easternwv.edu. So for my student email, and the email format should have been sent to you in some documentation. If you have any questions about how the email address is formatted, be sure to contact Eastern. You can contact me and I can look it up for you to be sure. If you have an especially long name, it might have been abbreviated. And in some cases, we have students with similar names, and then there might be a number 2 or something in front of the @ symbol to differentiate between students. The initial password that you have should be your student number with an exclamation point on the end of it. Be sure that you capitalize the S, the letter S that starts the student number. And you can choose whether you do or don't want to remain signed in. Basically, this would be a way of saving your password.
So once you have reached this point, essentially what this is an online version of Office 365. So you actually have many Microsoft applications that are available to you as online versions. So over here to the left, there's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the fourth one down is Outlook. So that is how you access your email. You also have cloud storage with OneDrive, which is great for doing backups from multiple devices. And then there's also OneNote, Teams, and Sway. There are additional applications as well. To get to all of them, you have to click the app launcher up here in the corner, and you'll see even more applications that are part of this online suite. To install Office on your computer as a desktop application, the button to do so is here to the upper right, but I want you to do something slightly different rather than just clicking that button, because otherwise you're not getting every single application that you might need for some of your classes. There's a little caret that's next to the word Office. So it looks like an arrow that's pointing down. I want you to click on the little arrow, and that's going to bring down 2 options. We're going to use the second one that says Other Install Options. That takes me to my account page. I want you to look at the first box here to the left that says Office Apps and Devices. Notice that you can do a desktop application installation on up to 5 PCs or Macs, 5 tablets, and 5 smartphones. So you can install Office on multiple devices. I want you to choose the button that says View Apps and Devices. And then I want you to use this button to start the desktop application installation. And if you'll look at the list of options here, this will allow you to get Access and Microsoft Publisher that otherwise would not install if you had chosen that first option on the main Office 365 page. If you would take advantage of Outlook as being part of your Office installation, and also be sure to install Outlook on your mobile device, particularly your smartphone. It is the easiest way to keep up with your student email.